Hello. I am Mike from Jivochat. How are you? Are you a business owner looking to increase your conversions in your website? If yes, I suggest you install a live chat on your website. I want to introduce you to Jivochat. Jivochat is an all-in-one business messenger that teams use to talk to customers everywhere: live chat, phone, email, and social. Install Jivochat on your website and interact with people who visit your website easily. Your customers are on websites, the phone, social media, the list goes on. Jivochat allows visitors to talk to you using their favorite platforms, so you never miss an opportunity to make a connection. Give your team tools to respond lightning fast. Agents receive all chats, emails, and calls in one Jivo app, so no more time-consuming fumbling between different windows. The result? Efficient client/agent communication, less distraction, and all the necessary tools to provide exceptional customer support. To know more, click on the link given below to get started with Jivochat.